This guy has 111 million subscribers on YouTube.
Damn!
Yes, you heard it right. This is Pewdiepie, and guess what? He was on top of the YouTube search charts in March 2024. But this Swedish gaming legend is more than just a search result. He's a living, breathing gaming phenomenon with a mind, glowing 111 million subscribers. Yep, you heard that correctly. 111 million fans can't be wrong. But wait, the surprises don't stop there. On March 17, 2024, Pewdiepie didn't just make waves. He created a tidal wave with over 1.6 million video views in just one day. And if that's not jaw-dropping enough, get this, Pewdiepie is adding a staggering 729,671 new subscribers to his army every single day.
Ha! Got him! Got him!
Hold on to your keyboards, because Pewdiepie's influence doesn't end on YouTube. Airplayed Roblox Squid Game. Brace yourselves, because there's a special code named after the man himself. You can snag an epic Pewdiepie bat skin with this exclusive code. How insane is that? So, what's the secret to Pewdiepie's unstoppable rise to fame? It's a winning combo of epic gaming skills, killer content, and an unbeatable connection with fans like you. In a nutshell, Pewdiepie isn't just a YouTuber. He's a gaming titan, a YouTube sensation, and an absolute force to be reckoned with in the online universe. So keep those controllers charged, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and who knows, maybe you could be the next Pewdiepie? Thanks for joining us on this electrifying journey through the incredible world of Pewdiepie. Until next time, keep gaming like a legend